this is a song called The Yellow Road. And a lovely guy called Davey Yack, who writes beautiful poetry, gave us some poems and said, if you want to use these, you can. So we plagiarised. and we took some of the little bits to create this song. And then we invited him along to a gig to have a listen. And when we played it, he went to the bar and went,
Then he came back and said, get your tops off.
Yeah, he did. That's a different story. He did say that. So since then, we've been very reluctant to use his lyrics. As it turns out, Davey Yack's a mass pervert.
Sorry, he was under the influence.
And this is being filmed, so Davey, only joking, we love you, keep writing these songs. I think he'd quite like that.
Yeah. He wouldn't even notice, he won't care.
Okay, this is The Yellow Road.
2, 3, 4.
Romance.